The idea of a foldable iPhone still feels unreal to many people, which is why a simple 3D printed mock-up has managed to grab so much attention. At first glance, these 3D printed iPhone fold units look like a joke. They are made of plastic, have no screen, and obviously cannot turn on. Yet, behind the laughs, there is a surprisingly practical purpose to these models. A fan-made iPhone Fold replica has appeared on the MakerWorld community, created by a user known as Subsea. This model even includes a working folding hinge, making it far more than a simple block of plastic. The timing could not be better either. For anyone who forgot to buy a Christmas gift for a hardcore Apple fan and owns a 3D printer, this mock-up could easily steal the spotlight from more traditional presents. It is important to be clear from the start that this is not an official Apple product. Apple has not confirmed the design size or even the final form of a foldable iPhone. The creator of the model openly states that it is based on leaked key aid renders that have been circulating online. These leaks are not verified, and Apple executives are unlikely to confirm anything before an official announcement. Still, the goal of this 3D printed model is not to predict Apple's internal engineering or software features. Instead, it focuses on something much simpler and more useful, giving people a physical object they can actually hold. Seeing leaks and renders on a screen is one thing, but holding a foldable phone shape in hand is a completely different experience. By using this mock-up, people can get a realistic sense of the rumored iPhone Fold size and proportions. It allows direct comparison with existing foldable phones from Samsung, Google, and other brands. The model can be opened and closed to feel how wide it might be when unfolded and how thick it could feel in a pocket when closed. This hands-on experience helps answer a key question many potential buyers have: is it worth waiting for Apple's foldable phone? Some people love the idea of a phone that turns into a small tablet, while others worry about bulk, comfort, and durability. A simple plastic mock-up cannot answer everything, but it does help visualize daily use far better than leaked images alone. That is why many see this model as more practical than it first appears. It turns abstract rumors into something physical. Taking it to an office or showing it to friends can spark conversations and reactions that online images never could. Some people laugh, others get excited, and a few may instantly decide that foldables are not for them at all. The interest in this 3D printed model also shows how curious people are about Apple's future plans. Foldable phones have been around for several years, yet Apple has stayed out of the market. This long wait has only increased expectations, and every new leak or render gets heavily analyzed. Speaking of renders, another set of iPhone Fold images appeared recently from well-known leaker Universe. These renders are digital concepts rather than physical models, but they add more fuel to the discussion. According to these reports, Apple's foldable iPhone may feature a smaller external display combined with a wider inner screen. The goal of this design seems to be delivering an experience closer to an iPad than a traditional phone. When unfolded, the device could offer enough space to comfortably read, browse, multitask, and even run iPad-style apps. This approach would set it apart from some current foldables that feel more like stretched smartphones than true mini tablets. However, even Apple may not be able to fully escape the challenges of foldable displays. Reports suggest that a slight crease could still be visible on the main screen. Apple is said to be investing heavily in hinge design and new materials to minimize this issue as much as possible. The hinge is rumored to be one of the most advanced in the industry, aiming for durability and smooth folding over many years of use. Reactions to the leaked design remain mixed. Some praise the idea of a wide tablet, like foldable iPhone, seeing it as a natural evolution of Apple's ecosystem. Others find the design awkward or unattractive, especially compared to slimmer slab-style phones. This divide shows just how risky foldables still are, even for a company like Apple. Behind the scenes, the foldable iPhone is no longer just a concept. Reports indicate that Apple has already entered early testing stages. A small batch of devices is said to be in development for verification and pre-production. This suggests that Apple is taking the project seriously and moving closer to a final product. Current expectations point to a launch in 2026, possibly alongside the iPhone 18 Pro models. Interestingly, some rumors claim that the standard iPhone 18 could be delayed until 2027, highlighting how Apple may reshuffle its lineup to make room for this new premium category. The foldable iPhone is expected to focus heavily on high-end quality. This includes a large inner display, a smaller but useful outer screen, strong camera hardware, and top-tier memory and storage options. Battery size is also expected to be generous, which is critical for powering a large foldable display throughout the day. On the software side, the device is likely to run a future version of iOS customized for foldable screens. This could include better multitasking app resizing and possibly features inspired by iPadOS. Apple's strength has always been software optimization, and this could be a major advantage over competitors. Of course, none of this will come cheap. Early price estimates suggest the iPhone Fold could cost around $2,400. That firmly places it in the ultra-premium category. A budget-friendly foldable iPhone was never a realistic expectation, and Apple seems comfortable targeting users who are willing to pay for cutting-edge design. In that context, the humble 3D printed mock-up becomes even more interesting. For a tiny fraction of the expected price, it lets people explore the idea of an iPhone Fold right now. It may be unofficial plastic and a bit funny looking, but it serves a real purpose. Until Apple finally unveils the real thing, these fan-made models and leaked renders will continue to shape expectations. They help people imagine what a foldable iPhone could feel